Hello students, good morning. Myself Dr. Suman Sharma. Today we will know about the urea formaldehyde resins. As you know, in previous lectures we have studied so many types of synthetic polymers. The present lecture contains introduction to the urea formaldehyde resins, properties, advantages, disadvantages, and at the end I explain applications of urea formaldehyde resins. So now we start this lecture on urea formaldehyde resins. First is the introduction. UF resins was first produced in 1884 by Holzer, who was working with Bernhard Tollens. Urea formaldehyde, also known as urea methanol, so named for its common synthesis pathway and overall structure, is a non-transparent thermosetting resins or plastic. Okay, it is produced from urea and formaldehyde. These resins are used in adhesives, finishes, particle board and molded objects. Okay, UF glue resins were the most important type of adhesive in the wood industry last 60 years, especially for the production of wood based panels, right? In industrial production, urea resins are made by the condensation of formaldehyde and urea in an aqueous solution using ammonia as an alkaline catalyst, right? It is the method of preparation of urea formaldehyde resin. Okay, the condensation reaction gives a colorless solution that can be spray dried to a powder for later use in coating or adhesives. Okay, it can also be mixed with cellulose filler to produce powders for molding into solid objects. Under the influence of heat and pressure, the resins at this point made up largely or low molecular weight intermediate polymers or prepolymers is cured to its final state, which consists of a three-dimensional network of interlinked polymer, right? So this is the general introduction of urea formaldehyde resins. Okay, now here is the chemical structure of urea formaldehyde resin with the chemical reaction. First, reaction of urea with formaldehyde, heat, and we get this product. This product polymerization take place and we get urea formaldehyde resin. So it's the structure of urea formaldehyde resin. Okay, now come to the मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस. इसको कैसे बनाया जाता है? यूरिया एंड फॉर्मेल्डिहाइड reacted at reflux under acid conditions to a required viscosity. Okay, resin is neutralized and cooled. A further amount of urea is added to react with remaining free formaldehyde. Resin is evaporated to obtain the correct viscosity and solids. So it's the manufacturing process for the formation of urea formaldehyde resins. Okay, now come to the process control. Okay, इसमें क्या होता है, फॉर्मेल्डिहाइड एंड यूरिया आर वेड इनटू अ रिएक्टर फ्रॉम अ वेट वेसल, राइट। इसको जो है सबसे पहले फॉर्मेल्डिहाइड और यूरिया जो है उसका वेट कर लिया जाता है, किसके अंदर, वेट वेसल के अंदर। प्रिसीजन ऑन फॉर्मेलिन weighing is 0.02%, okay. Precision on urea weighing is 0.5%. Viscometers and pH meters are calibrated daily and thermocouples are calibrated biannually, right. तो ये जो है जो प्रोसेस कंट्रोल है उसके अंदर इन बातों को ध्यान रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है, तभी ये जो प्रोसेस है वो आगे एक्सीड होगा, ओके। कम टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड। हियर इज़ द डायग्रामेटिक प्रोसेस कंट्रोल ऑफ यूरिया फॉर्मेल्डिहाइड रेजिन, ओके। इट्स यूरिया फॉर्मेल्डिहाइड कंडेंसेशन टेक प्लेस एंड फर्दर जो है पोस्ट मिथाइल आइसोलेशन, देन इवोपरेशन, देन फिनिश्ड रेजिन, ओके। यहाँ पर ये है कंडेंसेशन, यहाँ से यूरिया से जो है कंडेंसेशन होता है और दिस प्रोसेस जो है टेक प्लेस। हियर इज़ द यूरिया, यहाँ पर जो है पोस्ट मिथाइल आइसोलेशन टेक प्लेस, ओके। हियर इज़ द methiol, lol, phenol, here is the phenol urea co-condensate, right. Finally we get urea formaldehyde resin. So it's the diagrammatic process of the formation of urea formaldehyde resins, okay. Come to the next slide. Then come to the properties. What are the properties of urea formaldehyde resins? First is it has a very high tensile strength, has the property of flexural modules, okay, has the property of heat distortion temperature, okay, has the capacity of low water absorption, it has the property of mold shrinkage, has a property of high surface hardness, okay. Then physical properties are, first is the density is near about 1500 kilogram per meter cube, right. Tensile strength is near about 48 to 78 MnM minus, okay. Then compressive strength is near about 70 to 110 MnM to minus, right. Better electrical properties, scratched free and get affected by sunlight. So these are the physical properties of urea formaldehyde resin, okay. Come to the next slide. देन आता है एडवांटेजेस, इसके क्या क्या एडवांटेजेस हैं। फर्स्ट इज़ हायर मैक्सिमम ऑपरेटिंग टेम्परेचर, राइट, बेटर डाई इलेक्ट्रिक कांस्टेंट, देन ट्रैकिंग रेजिस्टेंस, डायमेंशनल स्टेबिलिटी कंपेयर्ड विद सेल्यूलोज फील्ड यूरिया फॉर्मेल्डिहाइड, ओके, लोअर कॉस्ट एंड गुड इलेक्ट्रिकल insulator. Now these are the advantages of urea formaldehyde resins, okay. Come to the next slide. Then disadvantages: lower high density temperature HDT, okay, higher water absorption and mold shrinkages, right, lower surface hardness and can have toxic effects and breathing difficulties, right. So these are the disadvantages of urea formaldehyde resins, okay. come to the next slide. It's the application. Now, what are the applications of urea formaldehyde resins? इसकी क्या क्या uses होते हैं और इसके क्या क्या applications होती हैं. First is the electrical casings, right? Second is the tableware. Third one is the decorative worktop laminates, right? Its uses in plugs and switches, buttons, okay, used in the paints, used in the surface coatings, right? And another जो है uses are glues for plywood, cellulose and foam products, okay. Its use in paints, uses in surface coatings, its use as a adhesives and main use in the plugs, switches, buttons, etc. Right? So these are the uses of formaldehyde resins, right? Urea formaldehyde resins. Okay? तो इस तरह से जो है हम ये कह सकते हैं कि जो यूरिया फॉर्मेल्डिहाइड रेजिन्स है इसका बहुत सारा जो है महत्व होता है. इसको रसोई के अंदर हम जो किचन वेयर होते हैं, क्रॉकरीज वगैरह उसको बनाने के काम में लेते हैं. आपका जो है मेलानिन होता है वो पेंट्स के अंदर काम में लिया जाता है. और जो ये आपके एडहेसिव्स के रूप में हम इसको काम में लेते हैं. ठीक है, ग्लूज़ जो है प्लाईवुड के अंदर ग्लूज़ के रूप में इसको काम में लिया जाता है. तो इस तरह से इसके बहुत सारे जो है एप्लीकेशंस जो है देखने को मिलते हैं. राइट? तो दीज आर द यूरिया फॉर्मेल्डिहाइड रेजिन्स. राइट? Okay. Thanks dear students. And these are the application part of urea formaldehyde resins. Okay. Thanks dear students.